snap. They finally pulled up, man. I ain't gonna lie. I almost forgot about it. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. In sneakers, Nike did something for the first time a couple of months ago. It was like February or March, where they let you reserve a sneaker that will release, ship out on a later date. And here goes the Kobe Dunk Lower Merion. And it's got to be the away colorway because it's way more burgundy than white in it. And I didn't even look at the picture. I just thought it was like some fast Kobe drop, and I copped it. But then like around May, I was saying, yo, what happened to them sneakers I brought back then? And then if you go on the sneakers app, it's like a separate part that say reserve. So you got like your purchase history, and then you got reserve history. And these were sitting here, and then you click it, and it say it's going to start shipping out around July. And it said July 25th, I think. But I got them before then, and they in hand, and they pretty, man. Well, first glance, before we get into this 4K review, my only gripe is that it's not a SB. But when you look at it, it's not a regular Dunk neither. It got your Protro technology in here, so it looks more like a SB, but they're not labeling it an SB. So I want to get into this review ASAP. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So, white mamba, if you will, right? White mamba, not the black box we usually get. And it's ironic because my Lakers right now got like 4 or 5 white guys running around, which I love. Luka, Austin, Kessler. I love you all, man. I don't care about your color. But instead of the black box that we usually get with the Kobe's, the reserved Lower Merion Dunk Kobe joints come in a white snakeskin Mamba box. I like it, man. I do like black and gold better, but white and gold matches too. On the back of the box, you got all the bells and whistles. Your Nike, your swoosh, all that stuff there. I already told you about the gold Kobe signature there, but you also get the gold Mamba hit here, the gold Nike logo here, and then the gold circle here. And it reads Nike Dunk Low Protro. Told you it had that Protro in it. You can tell when we get into the video. The colors are team red, team red. Open it up. More white in the inside. You get the white and gold Mamba skin paper. Also, this reminds me of them gift for Mambas that came out a couple of Christmases ago. So you get that, and then you get regular white tissue paper. Bam. And here's a 360 view of the Kobe Bryant Nike Dunk Low Protro Lower Merion joints, man. They sexy, man. I'm telling you, they got that SB appeal. Maybe a dunk with a Protro equals SB. I'm not sure. I started with the left shoe because the right shoe has a whole bunch of booklets and stuff on it we'll get into. But off the bat, look at the shoelace. The shoelace gives you that varsity high school look. If you don't know, this dunk is after the high school that Kobe Bryant went to, Lower Merion, i.e. his jersey there, number 33. He didn't wear 24 or 8 in high school. He wore 33. So you see the jersey there, the patch, super dope. But these shoelaces gives you varsity vibes off the rip. Let's go to the toe box. A lot of bounce back on that toe box, guys. A lot of bounce back. I don't know if it's like a satin, like it was a satin official, but it definitely got that luxury satin look. Outside the toes, got that nubuck suede that does go light to dark. So $130 price tag on this sneaker, and it's giving you $200 vibes off the rip. The shoelaces I showed y'all are extra. They come in an all burgundy shoelace. See if the tips are changed. No, it's all burgundy on the shoelace, even the tips. All right, let's go further up. They go the Mamba logo on the tongue, man. Remember, this is the left shoe. So we got the Mamba logo on the tongue. And behind it, it says, friends hang sometimes. I don't know if that's something his high school team said, but that's there. And also, the tongue is also in that same material as the toe box, guys. The back of the shoe sports Kobe Bryant signature, the same one you see on the box, the same one you see almost on every sneaker. If you haven't, check out my blind pack, the draft day joint I did. I got the New Jersey Nets, but it's okay, man. But it has the silver or gray Kobe Bryant signature on that one. There go that silk luxury crease back in. That white varsity line just blends all this together. And of course, you got a super dope gum bottom. But this looks more like khaki than gum to me. But with burgundy, that blends in perfect. And we cannot review this sneaker and not talk about this Chanel swoosh. The Chanel swoosh is super dope. It's popping out on top of the sneaker. And then the inside again, you have that silk. Well, it's actually harder here, pause, than here, in here. It's a little harder here on the sides. I guess that Protro technology there, but it does have that same shimmer, that same shine. You get the Chanel swoosh on both sides, guys. The inside and the outside. Super dope, man. If you could look real quick, around the sock liner, you do get Mamba skin. You do get the rattlesnake Mamba skin, snake skin, whatever skin you want to call it. You do get that around here. The inside also has Kobe logo. All right, we switching to the right shoe, guys. It does have that Mamba logo also, but look in there, man. The soles also has burgundy Mamba in it. I don't know if I could get this sole out. I got it out, guys. I think I got it halfway out. The sole even has the Mamba logo on it with the Mamba skin on it. Dope, man. You can feel this material. You may could play basketball in this, man. Don't take my word for it, but it has that basketball technology in it. The sticker in here reads fox fur, so you know it's telling you it's not really from an animal. We all get that. So I told y'all the right shoe has all these booklets and tags on it, so we're going to get into what that say. I'm just trying to make sure everything adds up to the left. So you still got the Kobe logo there. You still got the Kobe signature here. You still got the lower Merion 33 jersey there. But in here reads something different, right? It say banners hang forever. Super dope. So bringing it all in together with the other shoe. The other shoe say friends hang sometimes, banners hang forever. That sounds like an older Kobe quote. This is not like something I think he would have said in high school. But knowing him, who knows, man. All right, let's first deal with this orange and white sticker. It say color migration. So it's probably telling you that it might bleed into your socks or bleed into your jeans because this is that burgundy material. It says due to the nature materials used in this product, color migration may occur. So that's exactly what it's telling you. Very rare, won't like burgundy it out, but some color will go. It will happen. Okay, over here you get two Mamba-like cards, if you may say. So let's open this first one up. It just has the Protro technology. As I'm telling you, if you get this sneaker in hand, you will see that it's not your regular dunk, guys. It's not your regular dunk. And this one here, wait, it's something on the back. It says, it's all about improving on what's been and making it better for what's to come. That's a Kobe Bryant. It's a Kobe Bryant quote there, guys. The other card, I love how they personalize this sneaker, man. Same thing. Same with the performance. And is the quote the same? Yeah, the quote's the same. So one is in, I want to say German or Russian, maybe. I think it's German, and one is in English. So same card, just two different languages. And these come in a nice gold beaded tag. Yes, sir. And besides those, I got another Kobe shirt. I'm feeling like 2003, 2004. Whatever year Kobe got with Nike. And I was just going crazy with the shirts. I'm sad I wasn't going crazy with the sneakers at the time, but I was going crazy with the shirts, man. And if y'all remember the puppets, LeBron and Kobe, and the Kobe puppet used to always tease LeBron about not having a ring. Yeah, that was a long time ago, right? That's the Kobe hand with all his rings on it, man. Super dope. Nike said this was made from recycled material. That's why you got all this recycled stuff on it. But I jumped at it as soon as I seen they re-released this, because right before Kobe retired, I was trying to get all his shirts back, and eBay was taxing, man. So like I showed y'all in the other video with the blind box, that mama mentality on the collar is like a staple now. It's there to stay. I like it. And just like those shirts, thick material. I would not recommend for summertime. These are fall spring tees, man. But yeah, dope shirt. Back to the lower Merion joints, man. I felt like this was needed. This is dope. They personalized it to Kobe's life. I love it. I just feel like they years away from this. Back in the days when people were buying all them bootleg lower Merion jerseys, the 33 on it, y'all know the white joints. I had one, I wore it once, and it's somewhere buried somewhere. But this was it, bro. Like, this should have came out then. But I'm happy that the Kobe fans, i.e. myself, are able to get personalized things like this, man. I didn't check resale. I never do for Kobe, because whatever comes in here that say Kobe stays in here. But I don't think it would be crazy high, because it was a reserve. And I think a lot of people got a chance to reserve it because it was for a couple of hours, man. I jumped right on it. But I think later that night you still was able to what's the name. But let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. I told y'all I'm back. Everybody, get rich.